Welcome to Tropical Capitalists, where we help you build real wealth, live free, and escape the tax trap through real estate and smart investing across Panama, El Salvador, Paraguay, and beyond. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through how to buy your first rental property, even if you're just starting out. If you want cash flow, real assets, and legal zero tax structures, this one is for you. I am Noelia, licensed realtor and partner at my second option, and let's take a look on it. Real estate is one of the most powerful tools to build generational wealth. You earn passive income, your property appreciates, you get tax advantages, and in Panama, you can legally structure your rental income at zero tax on foreign earned income. You don't have to be rich to begin, you just need the right team and the right steps. For a typical property in Panama, you'll need around 15 to 20% down. The great news is you can invest in real estate here starting from just $150,000. That means you can begin with as little as $25K to $30K in capital. We can help you finance the rest. We also offer undervalued lots, beachfront, ocean view, or in fast-growing gated communities, where we build your tropical villa for you. This strategy often delivers higher ROI than buying a finished apartment. Step 2. Credit or alternative financing. If you're using traditional bank financing, a good credit score helps definitely, but don't worry. We work with international lenders, developers offering financing, and even options for crypto or gold buyers. If you're cash heavy but credit poor or just want privacy, we've got creative legal solutions that work internationally, and they are fully compliant. Step 3, speak with our team first. Before applying for any loan, talk to our advisors. We'll help you determine what kind of investment best fits your goals, whether that's short-term income, long-term equity, or a full relocation plan. Step number 4, choose the right property type. Want quick income? Well, go for studio or a one-bedroom apartment in Panama City with Airbnb potential. Want long-term ROI? Invest in undervalued land and we'll build the property for you. Want freedom? Own a beach villa or mountain retreat for part-time living and rental income. We'll guide you through every option. And we don't just sell you a property, we build it for you, we rent it out and manage it long-term. Step number 5, research the numbers. Before you buy, let's run the numbers. What's the rental income? What are the monthly expenses? We help calculate cash flow, appreciation, ROI. We also estimate long-term and Airbnb rental rates because we manage both options for you. Step 6, get pre-approved. Once you're ready, we connect you with the right lender, negotiate terms, and walk you through the pre-approval process. We also help you buy through your offshore structure or crypto wallet if needed. Step number 7, make your offer. We'll help you make a smart offer with clauses that protect your investment. That includes inspections, price renegotiation, and title review. We've done this for our clients. You're in good hands. Number 8, close and cash flow. Once you sign and transfer funds, you own the property. If you bought land, we begin construction immediately. If it's ready to rent, we start managing it for you. Either way, we help you. Rent it short-term or long-term. Handle all property management. Maximize your ROI. Hands-off. Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador all offer legal 0% tax structures on foreign income. We set you up with the right company, bank, and residency so your income stays yours. Our wealth management team handles the entire strategy, from asset protection to residency and crypto-friendly banking. So there you have it. If you're ready to escape the tax trap and build a real income, book a free call with our team. We'll help you find undervalued land, build your rental property, and manage it, all while staying compliant with 0% tax. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next about building wealth in the tropics. It was my pleasure, and this is Tropical Capitalist, where your second option becomes the best one. See you on the next one.
At My Second Option, we're constantly looking for the best investment and the right fit for you. We are out here walking the land, going to the properties, meeting with developers, checking permits, and building the connections that matter. We operate in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador. 3 countries full of opportunity, each with their own rhythm and potential. In Paraguay, we focus on sovereign living, low-cost land, legal residency, and long-term value for those who want peace and security outside the noise. In El Salvador, we guide you through the frontier of freedom, from ocean viewscapes to off-grid living in a country embracing innovation, Bitcoin, and new beginnings. And here in Panama, we bring you options, from tropical villas to city apartments to turnkey Airbnb setups in a country with strong infrastructure, 0% tax on foreign income, embracing cryptocurrency, technology, global access, and an international way of living. We handle everything: second citizenship, relocations, real estate, construction, remodelations, development, legal and accounting advice, property management, and more. We help you establish your business through our network with the best in-house team of lawyers and accountants. We're hands-on, transparent, and always tailored to your goals. Whether you're relocating, investing, or just building a plan B, we help you do it right and do it smart. We are always seeking for the right investment for you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video to connect with us directly. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you on the next one.